Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Hair. I am so happy that you could join me here tonight, and I am doing a review and color comparison including styles for this beautiful ARIA from Paula Young. The color that I'm wearing tonight is 1426A, which is Sunkissed Blonde. So she is your basic cap with that soft felt front, all open wefted here. Open wefting, open ear tabs with a bendy metal stay. She does have an extended nape, the Velcro closures, and she has a nice amount of stretch to her cap. I would definitely say that she is big head friendly. You guys, most of you probably know my circumference is 22.5 inches. So I am on the top end of average, and I have plenty of room in ARIA. So ARIA is a clearance wig. I will link her in the description box below so that you can hop on over to the Paula Young website if you guys want to check it out. The colors may be limited because she is a clearance. She is a style that is being retired. But what my main purpose was, I wanted to show you some options for styling with long hair, plus I wanted to show you the color comparison. So if you saw my unboxing hair mail, you saw that I got her in the 3 colors. I got her in Sunkissed Blonde, I got her in Buttered Toast, which is SF1026, and I got her in Honey, which is SF1228. We'll flip to the next slide and you can see how I got her all ready for you. So as you can see, she did not take much work at all. Just beautiful right out of the box. I did not use any dry shampoo. I did a little bit of rooting only because she's a blonder color for me. And I wanted to be able to blend in my bio hair on the sides here. So I just sprayed that with a light golden brown root spray and kind of blend that all in. So it looks like my hair is growing out, and that was my goal with this. But Sunkissed Blonde is a beautiful color. I would say it's on the neutral end. It may lean a little bit more warm than ash, and especially because I used a light golden brown. But you can see she's got some highlights in there. It is a very pretty blonde. And this style, if you guys have seen my video, I have been gushing about this style because I just think it's absolutely beautiful. And for permatease, there is not. I mean, for me. Some of you may think otherwise. I don't think there's much permatease in this style. I only just feel a little bit on top, but you know, you could really dig in there and lift it up. I kind of actually have her sitting a little bit flatter, which you can do. You can just even, you know, I'm sure you've seen other wig wearers do this where you warm up your hands and just kind of press down. So if you like a little bit of a flatter look on top and not so much poof, then just do that. But she is gorgeous. Alright, so let's just compare her side by side and we'll see all 3 colors together. So let's hit the next slide.
So I want you to keep in mind with this color comparison, this is inside at night, so this is not natural lighting. And Buttered Toast is in the middle. Buttered Toast does appear a little bit darker, and as you can see, compared to the two, the Sunkissed Blonde and the Honey, which is on the far right, Buttered Toast is much ashier in tone. Now, I don't think that all wigs in Buttered Toast come this dark, and it may just be that she's a longer style, and so the color transition just shows up more brown. I feel like this back view shows the colors better. You can really see the blonde now in the Sunkissed Blonde. And I don't think it's a yellow blonde at all, but I do think it's a warmer color. It may lean neutral warm. Buttered Toast in the middle is an ashier tone. And Honey, as you can see, is quite a bit warmer than the Buttered Toast. This style is beautiful with her long waves. Very beautiful.
So which color is your favorite? I am excited to wear blondes this summer. I want to see if blondes have more fun. So what do you think? We better do some styles with her, huh?
Let's start with the headband, and pink is my theme today. Isn't that cute? All right, let's try a stretchy headband. Works good and helps to hold the wig on. Now let's do a scrunchie and a ponytail. And you see how that headband hides the wig line. Very cute. Now we can turn this into a messy bun. Loosen it up a little bit, add some tendrils. What a cute work style. And the stretchy black headband. Very cute. Let's do a side swept. Oh, she's pretty.
All right, so what do you got for me, Buttered Toast? Well, that was cute, but check this out.
I'm just gonna do my little half twist, add a sparkly barrette, and another twist on the other side. Cute sparkly barrette. Those were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Just adds a little fun flair and pizzazz. Now we'll take half the hair, twist that up, and add in a big claw clip. And just like that is cute. Gives kind of a waterfall effect. But let's add to this. Twist up the back and add another claw clip. Tug on the ends, pull out some tendrils. What a cute ponytail. Just a cute style if you're going to work or running errands. I love it. And now I'm going to pull half the hair up and work on a messy top knot bun. And I'll just secure that with a little claw clip, mess it up a little bit. How cute.
So what do you got for me, honey? Well, that's cute, but check this out.
So I'm going to work on my side pull-through braid. And it sounds intimidating, but it's not. Just take a little ponytail and flip the hair through. Then tug on that to just loosen it up. Now we'll add to that by taking 2 more sections, bring it to the front, secure with a binder, and then flip that through itself and do the same thing and loosen it up a little bit. So it's somewhat of a mermaid braid, you might call it. You might call it a pull-through braid. Super easy. Looks like you spent a lot of time on it, when really it's just so easy. Loosen it up as you like. Twist around the other side, and I'll secure that with a clip, and I'll add a few flowers. Just maybe a pretty going out Valentine's Day style. How cute. So easy. And happy Valentine's Day. Aren't those cute? My Dollar Tree Valentine hearts. And I'm just twisting the hair behind it, and I'll probably wear this to work for Valentine's Day. Don't you think that would be cute? She is so fun. Now I'm just adding my bio hair into that twist to help it look natural and securing with a little flower clip. And that's another cute style. And my glasses work great. Just put it in those ear tabs.
All right, back to you, Sunkissed. Thank you to Buttered Toast and Honey for your styles too. What did you guys think? Did you like them? She has enough length to be able to do some cute styles. So if you are wanting something similar to her, Valentina, in my opinion, would be a similar style. Valentina does have a little bit of a bang, but it kind of has that wave, and it's about the same length. So if you're looking for the length, I think that it would be a really good one. So I hope you all enjoyed this review and style and color comparison of ARIA from Paula Young. And again, I will include the link to ARIA in the description box below. Hopefully they still have some of your colors left so that you can hop over there and check it out for yourself. And I want to give a quick shout out to Linda, the Corseted Jewel Lady. I will include her link in the description box below for her Facebook page and for her Instagram so that you can check out her live sales for her paparazzi jewelry. Beautiful, beautiful jewelry and very budget friendly. Thank you, Linda. I love it. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I love you all. You have truly been amazing and wonderful and embracing me, and I cannot thank you enough. I have been blown away by your support. We hit over 2,000 subscribers this week, you guys. That is amazing to me. In less than a year doing YouTube, that you guys have embraced me like this and welcomed me into this community, and I'm so truly humbled and I'm so truly grateful. And I am here for the duration to inspire you, to help you have fun with wearing your wigs and to not be afraid to wear your wigs. Go out and hold your head high because you look beautiful in your beautiful hair. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.